bang 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 bang. What's up? What's up, everyone? I'm so excited for this video. I'm so excited for this video. Today we're gonna be unboxing this a box from ANGKORDS. ANGKORDS. So ANGKORDS sent me this. This is a nylon braided curled mechanical keyboard cable. Type C. I received it February 15th. So the question is, why now? Why only now? Why only now? It's because, okay, it's because, this is the answer. I'm gonna be using this with the Raklam Anglight. And I also have the Rak Ilis right here. And as you know, especially from the mechanical keyboard community, you know that the Rak Ilis has its cable attached to it. So you really cannot replace it with another or with a different cable, right? So I was so curious, I tried to curl the Rak Ilis's cable and see if it will stay curled. So I curled it, as you can see. I've curled it using a drumstick, and well, the curl is really not perfect. But again, my purpose is just to check if it will stay that way. At the end of this video, we're gonna be taking out those tapes and see if the curl or that effect will actually stay in place. So watch out till the end. Let's go. Oi, oi, let's go. Special shout out to the people from ANGKORDS. Again, thank you very much for sending this to me. If you guys are curious, I'm gonna be leaving their link down below, and you guys try one for yourself. Let's start unboxing the cable. Well, before we do that, you know what? Let's inspect the box. There's the logo right there, ANGKORDS. Aside from that, there is none. If you are one of those guys from the keyboard community, yes, usually the braided cables comes in boxes like these. So this is really not any different from the others. So, yep, let us open the box. All right. So I was the one who chose the color. That's how their the site works. When you go there, you will be there are pictures there, and you will be choosing the colors of, for example, the nylon, the type of braid. Sorry, the color of the braid, and then the color of this, the heat. Is this rubber? Yeah, these are the, what do you call those, shrinking tubes? Yes, yep, I believe that's what you call them. And then let us, you know what, let us take out those wires. The wires, the wire is actually really thick and hard. I'm afraid I might break myself. Okay, okay, scary. Whoa, man, dude, bro, it's giving me a hard time. Is it okay? Okay, okay, finally got it. Okay, is it springy? Oh no. Okay, so yep, this is what. Oh man, there's another one. Sorry, there's another wire right here. Ouch. Okay, so this is what I was talking about earlier, the curl. And this is obviously the thing that I want to achieve with the Rak Ilis's stock cable. Okay, let's take a closer look first how it was made. Okay, this is the like shrinking tube, the one that you heat and shrinks by itself. And then like this nylon stuff right here, I believe this is the correct me if I'm wrong, guys. This is the PET, PET sleeve, and then underneath that is the paracord, the one that has a design. Yep. Let's see again how springy it is. Okay, okay, okay. Looking good, looking good. Although I think they're nice. Okay, let's compare like the thickness of it compared to the one that comes with the Raklam Ang. This is the one that comes with the Raklam Ang. And when it comes to thickness, there it is. There it is. So yes, this one, I tried to curl this. With the Rak Ilis. It's been curled for, well, I curled it on Feb 15, same day that I received this. And today is now March 6, so I believe that's enough time already. Hopefully it will stay curled after I take out the tapes. Okay. Now, okay, the question is, do these cables actually have like a benefit? Do you actually get something from it? Okay, well, you know what? Aside from the looks, aside from, you know, looking better, I think, you know what, performance-wise, compared with compared to this cable, I believe there will be no change. It will be just, you know, the same, or if not, like almost the same, like almost zero difference. The purpose of these cables are more on, well, aside from, you know, having these, and you can detach it anytime, you know what, you can change it to another one if you want, match and, you know, mix and match colors. You can get another set of this and then match it with another, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, yep, the benefits are more on durability. It provides like a structural, you know, better structural integrity. It will prevent the cable from, you know, tearing or fraying from everyday use. It will, you know, it will help withstand like some sort of punishment. Basically, this will last longer. Alright, and that's what you get from buying these. So let's go ahead and try it with the Rak Lam Am. Alright, so we're gonna be trying this with this laptop. Let us first connect this end to the USB port right here. There. And then let's combine these two. All right, let's attach it. There. See? There. There, it's attached, and then screw it. Let's lock it. Bam! Nice and tight. And then this goes to our keyboard. Okay. So I was afraid that it's not gonna fit, but it does. It's just that, no way, gave us a hard time. Whew. Alright, let's go ahead and try it. Alright, so they're all connected. All good. Question is it gonna work? Let me just put you right here. Change the angle. Kapow. So zoom out a little. There. Okay, will it work? There! Will it work? Yay! Alright, so it works. Finally, the time has come. Time to take off those tapes and see if the stock cables would actually stay curled after how many weeks. let's go ahead and do it. Okay, this is it. Let us rub the head of our 212 battalion trooper right here first. Hello. And then well, let's take out the tape. Dude, I'm excited, nervous. I don't know what I feel. Man, is this going to work? Well, if it's not, well, at least like I took one for the team. This is for you guys. If you guys are curious if it will stay or if you can, you know, do this with your stock cables. Here it is. This is the answer. Okay, let's pull that carefully. Oh, come on. And that is one, my friends. Second one. Oh, dude. I'm nervous. Oh, yes. Okay, come on. Oh, no. Oh, no. So at least you guys wouldn't have to, you know, if this fails, at least you guys wouldn't have to waste your time trying this. Okay. There. Will it stay that way? Look good to me. Wait, Feb 16, March 6. How many days, bro? How many days? Well, I think it worked okay. Not really like, I mean, the curl of this is, the size of the curl is definitely smaller than the other one. But you know what, bro? It did indeed stay that way. Okay, so there's your answer. If you guys are curious, if you can do it with your stock cables, the one that comes with your keyboard, the ones that you cannot detach, there you go. If you're gonna do, if you guys want to do it, feel free to do it. Well, in my case, the reason why it took that long, from Feb 16 to March 6, how many days is that? Almost 20 days, something like that. Yeah, almost. Because I don't have those heat guns. So, because with what was told from ANGKORDS, they told me that they heat the braids so that it can, you know, they heat it from time to time. They kind of gave me an idea of how they do it. But in my case, since I don't have, once again, since I don't have a heat gun, I just let it stay that way for a couple of weeks, and then there's your answer. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Spread the love, and till the next video. Goodbye.